This model kit review is of the Bristol F.2B fighter, and it's a 1/48 scale model by Eduard. And here we have some of the dimensions. And don't see any pictures of the finished model, but let's have a look inside. So this is first sprue, and this is the typical Eduard quality. As you can see, we have very well molded pieces, fair amount of surface detail. Here we have our ailerons are set up to be glued on, so you can glue them on at any angle you like. And we have our tail and wheel. We've got a little mold line on that wheel, and some of our braces. These actually are probably our these could be the tail or the ailerons. No, those are the tails. Here's our engine parts. Here's our propeller. You can either do a two-bladed propeller or a four-bladed version. We have some exhaust pieces over here, and landing gear pieces. Lots and lots of little pieces here, as you can see. And they're all very well molded. There's going to be a tremendous amount of detail here. Here we have little bomblets. And here's the inside of our fuselage and cockpits. Some good detail there. Same on the other side. The outside's got some nice detail. Here's our instrument panel. We have our ailerons, cockpit, elevator, and just a tremendous amount of detail, very well molded. We do have some paint masks, and we have a little clear plastic sheet there to glue on the instrument panel. And let's have a look at our decals. Some really good decals here, lots of detail and very well printed. So here are the instructions. It shows us the parts that we won't need. They're definitely duplicates. And these are the colors needed. We start off with the cockpit and engine. And that's all put inside the fuselage. All these additional details, including the gun, seat, all glued in. We start to build the front, including the engine, and the cockpit. The fuselage is then glued together. Build the tail and stabilizer. And then all those pieces are glued onto the fuselage. And we have the bottom wing. And the top wing. And we have our landing gear and skid. And then we have the bombs. And here's another option, little bomblets. And here's another option. And we have our gunner's ring. And lastly, the propeller, depending on which version you want to build. It also shows the rigging. Let's have a look at our decal and paint guide. So first of all, let's have a look at this one here. This is option A. And we have option B here. There's option C. And here's option D. So depending on which version you build will determine whether you use the 2 or 4 bladed propeller and all the other little options. So excellent quality, great decals, well molded, lots of detail.